of the demands made by several organizations on the reservation policy, I, as the MLA of Rajapallah constituency, would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Meghalaya to review the prevailing reservation policy of Meghalaya, wherein 85% is being reserved for SC, ST and others, which is against the reservation policy set up by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. As per the Honorable Court verdict on 8/3/2021 in the case of Jayashri Lakshman Rao Patil versus Court of Maharashtra and Indra Sahni versus Union of India in 1992, Honorable Supreme Court has set the limit and does not allow for any reservation for any tribe or caste more than the 50% limit. Hence, it is totally against the SC verdict. Therefore, I strongly demand for the review and allocation of 50% for the unreserved category as per the guidelines laid down by the Honorable Court.